To manage your HDFC Bank salary account effectively, follow these best practices. First, understand the account features and benefits, such as zero balance requirements, free debit cards, and personalized account management. Next, set up account alerts to stay informed about transactions, low balances, and payment reminders. This can be done through net banking or mobile banking. Regularly check your account statements to ensure accuracy and detect any suspicious transactions. To avoid unnecessary charges, keep a minimum balance as required by the bank. Use HDFC Bank ATMs for free transactions, and opt for online transactions instead of check payments. Take advantage of bill payment and fund transfer facilities through net banking or mobile banking to save time and reduce paperwork. For security, use strong passwords, keep your account details confidential, and monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized transactions. Update your account information and contact details to ensure you receive important notifications and communications from the bank. Additionally, utilize the bank's customer support services for any queries or issues. And consider investing in HDFC Bank's investment products, such as fixed deposits or mutual funds, to grow your savings. By following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of your HDFC Bank salary account and manage your finances efficiently.